parents to tots. Flown, it's fun you can...
The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Orange County in Florida, Osceola County in Florida, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the public reported a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located over Orlando International Airport and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Ventura Lakes, Orlando, Belle, Conway, St. Cloud, East Lake Tahoe, Narcoosee, Lake Mary Jane, Harmony, and Hollopa. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds in excess of 58 miles an hour and/or large destructive hail. Frequent to excessive lightning and very heavy rain will also be possible. If the storm approaches you, seek shelter in an enclosed building on the lowest floor. Keep away from windows,